Hi there, students. I'm itching to try this new Indian restaurant that's opened down the road. To be itching to do something, to be really keen to do something, to be champing at the bit because you really want to do it. Yeah? So to be itching to do something. Yeah? I'm itching to try out this new video game. Yeah, I'm itching to go on holiday. I'm tired of work and it's time for a holiday. So if you're itching to do something, you really want to do it. You really feel like doing it. You have a lot of motivation to do it. Yeah, so I'm itching to get started on this project. Yeah. Let's see, the kids have been in class for 6 hours now and they're just itching to go home. Yeah, so if you're itching to do something, you really want to do it. You've got a really strong desire. Yeah, a teasing desire, a teasing want. Yeah, to an urge. You feel strongly motivated to do something. Okay, he's learning English and he's been itching to have the chance to try out his English with native speakers. Okay, so to itch. Well, if something itches, you scratch it. Yeah. I think let's see, an itch is a sensation which you feel on an area of skin and you just want to scratch. Yeah. You've got an itch on your back. I've got an itchy back. Yeah, and therefore if you're itching to do something, you really want to scratch that itch. This is metaphorically. To scratch, if you scratch that itch, you satisfy the desire. Because yeah, if something itches, it feels itchy. Yeah, you really want to stop it from itching. You want to satisfy that itch, and therefore you scratch it. Yeah. One of my most important tools is my back scratcher, which means that I can actually scratch all of the itches that I can't reach. So what are you itching to do? Yeah, he's itching to go on his summer holiday. Yeah, he's itching to be old enough to learn to drive. He's itching to get that promotion. If he gets it or not, though, it's a different question. Okay, so if you're itching to do something, you really want to do something. To do it, we're using this metaphorically. Yeah, he's really. I am itching to go home and do something different. Because an itch, if it's not scratched, is very annoying. It really, well, itches that you can't strap drive me to distraction. And then you satisfy that itch by scratching it or by doing the thing that you really wanted to do. And this is the idea of it. Yeah, you're itching to do something. Yeah, you've just got this strong desire because you want to scratch your itch, but then you're itching to do something. Well, let's just scratch it, and then my desire will be satisfied. So itching to do something, formality. He's itching to go on holiday. I think I'm going to give it a 4 in formality. Use it informally. Use it in a semi-formal conversation. Semi-formal writing, I guess, just about, but certainly no more than that. And then as to origin, okay, we've got a Middle English word, itcher, yeah, to itch, which comes from Old English, gitch or gissa, yeah, an itch, which comes from Proto-Germanic, juko, an itch, yeah. Okay, it's a cognate with a Dutch word, juk, an itch, German, juken. Okay, so yeah, an itch. Well, and then what causes an itch? That's a very difficult question. I think it's something doctors would like to know the answer to, the things that make us itch. So anyway, enough. You're itching for me to go. Yeah. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To be itching to do something.